Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the daily high-low indicator for MT4 and MT5. So if you want to download this indicator, just check the description below. You're going to find the links to both the MT4 version and the MT5 version. Now, after downloading the indicator, you need to head over to your indicators folder, whether for MT4 or for MT5, and you paste the indicator file in there. After doing that, head back to your navigator and refresh. Okay, if refreshing does not work, just restart your terminal. Now, we need to look for the daily high-low indicator. Drag and drop on your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and now we can see the few customizable settings here, basically the colors, right? Now we can see that what this indicator does is to boost your market awareness, right? It looks as if it just changed the color, right, of our candlesticks. Okay, so it's automatically helps you to plot the daily high and low. Okay, you need to go to a lower time frame, of course, to see that. So just drop down to a lower time frame so that you can see the daily highs and low, right? Because if you're on the daily time frame, of course, there's nothing to show you, so you have to drop down to lower time frames. So it's going to show you the previous day's high and low levels on your chart. Okay, so it's helping to identify key breakout zones, reversal points, and high probability trading opportunities. So whether you are a day trader, a scalper, or a swing trader, this indicator can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit, right? At least just at a glance, you will find important price points on your chart. This could be reversal points, right? This could be reversal points on your chart. This could be areas of interest on your chart. Okay, so you just find a way to adapt it to your trading strategy if need be. In the meantime, thank you for watching. But if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, maybe this is a good time to do that so that you don't miss out on many more valuable content on this channel. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you get updated when a new video drops. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.